Hello, friends. Welcome to the Technical Freak. Hope you are doing good. Today, we are unraveling the magic of Windows 11 23H2. So, stick around for a hassle free guide on how to get it, and let's explore the awesome features it brings to the table. If you are pumped about simplifying your Windows experience, so hit subscribe and let's make your tech life even more amazing. Even if you are using Windows 10 computer or system, you can just install the latest version of Windows 11 23H2. So how to get that Windows 23H2 is to do that, right click in the start icon, and then go to the settings, and some people find the home at the top right corner. You will find a Windows update. From there, I have it down, so you can simply click here in the Windows update. So I'll click on the Windows update, and please make sure that you turn on this to get the latest update as soon as they are available. It should be turned on, and you can see Windows 11 version 23H2. Download and install it. So I just have to click on check updates. So um, you can download and install, and it will start uh, installing the latest version 23H2, and fixes. And as far as the Copilot is concerned, it is more advanced now, and you can also get this 23H2. The size of this update is almost 5 GB, and you can install this. If you have successfully installed this version 23H2, please like and subscribe this channel for more videos. uh, Thank you so much. uh, Good day.